Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Jimmy. I will guide you in a mindful meditation with a focus on the breath. I created this guided meditation with an intention to help you focus, find more ease in your mind and body, ground into your body, feel relief from an anxious and scattered mind, and increase self-love and self-awareness. When you're ready, take a few moments and find a comfortable seated position, either in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. You can also lie down or practice standing up. Allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. Take a few deep breaths into your belly. And exhale with a deep sigh. Now let go even deeper. Allow your breath to be normal now. Now feel where your body touches the ground. Do you notice pressure, tightness, warmth, coolness? Sit with an upright spine. It doesn't have to be tight or rigid, just present. And spread your collarbones like wings, allowing your shoulders to relax. Hands rest in a place that feels natural to you. Turn your attention to your facial muscles and invite some ease here. Let your jaw and tongue be soft, and just be here for a moment. Check in with your breath. Can you find the breath in your body? Maybe it's in your nostrils. You may notice coolness as you inhale and warmth as you exhale. Or you may notice the breath in your chest and ribs, expanding and contracting. Or in your belly, rising and falling. How's the quality of the breath? Is it deep, short, smooth, loud? Let your breath be normal, in and out through your nostrils. By focusing your awareness, you develop concentration and mindfulness. So choose your breath where you feel it in your belly, chest, or nose. And let yourself settle into this one area and use it as your anchor throughout the meditation. When your mind wanders to a thought, a feeling, imagining, whatever happens, notice the breath in your nostrils, chest, or belly, and gently bring your awareness to its felt sensations. For instance, you may notice yourself planning what you'll eat for lunch, and then with kindness, bring your attention back to the sensation of the breath in your nostrils. You may notice warmth, coolness, tingling, vibration. Breath after breath, sensation after sensation. After a while, you may notice something has pulled you away from your breath. Thinking, planning, imagining. This is completely normal and happens to everyone, no matter how experienced of a meditator you are. Recognize what pulled you away with loving kindness. Rather than criticizing yourself and feeling discouraged, view it as an opportunity to grow, an opportunity to be at peace in this moment. And then turn your attention now to the most obvious sensation of your next breath. And every time you notice your mind wandering, you strengthen your ability to focus. Every time you usher mindful awareness back home to the breath and body, you can invite ease and loving kindness as well. For the last couple minutes of this session, I invite you to notice the effects of the meditation. Perhaps there's more ease and relaxation in the mind and body. Maybe the breath is calm and quiet, the heart soft and accepting. Whatever is there, let it be there. May the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, and alleviation from suffering to you and to all sentient beings. Take a moment to thank yourself for practicing today. And when you're ready, gently and slowly deepen your breath. At the very end of an exhalation, and as you begin an inhalation, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to continue practicing, click another seated meditation or try a walking meditation. Please comment below on the effects this meditation had on you.